Hello guys, welcome back to Cantonese. I am 𝐶𝐒𝐃 𝐎𝐼𝑟. Are you working in a Cantonese speaking environment now? Do you want to sound natural and professional? Today I will teach you 5 essential Cantonese phrases that every office worker should know, including how to ask a raise. The first one, let's start with one of the most important things in any job. How do you ask for a raise in Cantonese? Here is a simple but polite way to say it. 老細，下個月可唔可以加我人工啊？老細，下個月可唔可以加我人工啊？老細，boss， 下個月，next month， 可唔可以，could or not， 加人工，add salary。老細，下個月可唔可以加我人工啊？ Boss, could you give me a raise next month? To make your request more persuasive, it helps to give a reason. For example, 近排我老婆有咗。近排recently 我老婆 my wife 有咗 be pregnant 近排我老婆有咗 my wife is pregnant lately. It's better to ask than to stay silent. Try this out and let me know if it works for you. Even though many of us in Asia tend to feel guilty about taking leave, sometimes we really need a break, especially when we are sick. 老細，我今日病咗啊，我想請一日假。老細，我今日病咗啊，我想請一日假。病咗 sick 請假 take off。老細，我今日病咗啊，我想請一日假。Boss, I'm sick today. I'd like to take one day off. In a team, you will definitely need to ask help sometimes. So how could we ask that politely in Cantonese? Here is a common and useful structure. 幫 somebody verb. 幫 somebody verb. Help someone do something. For example, 可唔可以幫我攞份文件俾老細啊？可唔可以幫我攞份文件俾老細啊？幫 help 攞 take 一份文件 a file 俾 to 可唔可以幫我攞份文件俾老細啊？ Could you help me take this file to the boss? Meetings are a big part of office life. So how do you ask someone if they are available for a meeting? You can say, 我想聽日開會討論下預算嘅問題。你有冇時間啊？我想聽日開會討論下預算嘅問題。你有冇時間啊？聽日 tomorrow 開會 have a meeting 討論 discuss 預算 budget 嘅問題 problem 有冇時間 are you available 我想聽日開會討論下預算嘅問題你有冇時間啊 I'd like to have a meeting tomorrow to discuss the budget issue are you available In meetings, it's totally normal to have different opinions. Don't be afraid to speak up. Just do it politely and professionally. Here is a good phrases to use. 關於呢個 project, 我有啲唔同嘅睇法。關於呢個 project, 我有啲唔同嘅睇法。關於 about 有啲 have some 唔同 different 睇法 opinion 關於呢個 project 我有啲唔同嘅睇法 About this project I have a slightly different opinion These 5 phrases will help you survive in a local office Which one do you find the most useful? Leave me a comment and try to make your own sentence Maybe you have noticed that I have been posting a lot of shorts lately To be honest, I don't have much choice These days, many people only have time for short videos, and my longer ones are just not getting enough views. That's why I'm trying to break things down into small chunks so you can learn them piece by piece, even with limited time. I'm doing my best to keep going, but it's really tough. So if you find my content useful, please show your support, give me a like, and drop a comment. It really means a lot for me. See you in the next video. 我係你老師 𝐿𝐼𝐴，下次見，拜拜。